Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you Canva, how to make a professional course for free 2025 step by step. So guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create a professional course on Canva using Canva step by step. So it's a really easy procedure. So your first step would be to go ahead and open up your browser. So open up your browser and log on to canva.com. And you'd see the sign up option or the sign in option depending on if you have an account or not. If you don't have an account, go ahead and use the sign up option to simply sign up for Canva, and from there you'd be receiving updates from the Canva application to their changes. Any changes they are making on their software, you'd get it. But the most important thing is how you can make use of Canva to create a professional course. Now, before creating a professional course, you're going to first need to plan your course. So what kind of thing or what kind of content do you plan on making for your students? I would suggest you select the best sellers. You could sell your course professionally on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or any platform that allows or promotes digital content being uploaded and sold. Those are the kind of platforms you could seek out the best selling courses and kind of like copy them or make use of them as a template. So the most important questions you're going to ask yourself are three questions. Who is this course for? Who do you want accessing your course? Is it students? Is it people with degrees? You know, all that good stuff. So you just need to find out what kind of audience you're trying to attract. Now, another thing is, what will your learners achieve from your course? It's not really an important question, but it is a question you need to ask yourself. What kind of knowledge are you trying to impact on your audience, and how to make it come across as easy and understandable, as well as how will you break your content down. So most times people fail to kind of like break content down for people to understand, to kind of like grasp the concept of what you're trying to talk about. All right, so that's what I'm here to fix. So the next step we're going to be taking now is creating your course slide in Canva. So you can go about a couple of ways creating digital content on Canva. Digital content being either written content or videos. Like you could have a presentation, you could save your presentation as a PDF and sell it, or you could kind of like make your content into a document form, turn it into a PDF and sell. Same thing with the kind of like Excel sheets from Canva. Canva is offering a lot of options if you're looking to create any form of content, whether it's using the sheets, the document option. I believe this whiteboard, I don't really know what it is, but you can try this option. And we also have the presentation, which is kind of like using Microsoft presentations. All right, so getting into this, I think the best options would be to go with document. So, but before you go through this option of creating a document, let's just go ahead and open this in a new tab. You could use the search millions of templates. So where we have what will you design today from Canva, we have your designs, we have templates, we have Canva AI. So you could go with any of these options for templates. Like now you could just select a course template. So you could get inspiration from other people who have given out their courses as templates on Canva. Let's just go ahead and search for courses. Alright guys, so once the course templates opens, like your list of courses you can take off, we have many things. Okay, I believe this is actually a slide. You could take inspiration from this slide and how it functions on Canva. Let's just go ahead and open this up. So simply select the template you want to use, and then you can go with the option to customize this template into something you can actually use. As you can see, the coloring of a template is actually important, as your brand color is really important. So let's say you're setting up a shop on Etsy. We have a tutorial for that. Let's say you're setting a shop on Etsy. All you need to do is just go ahead and make sure the brand colors match. If you're using green on Etsy, it should be green on your presentation and your courses. If you're using red on Shopify, it should be red on your presentation and courses, and things of that nature. So you can mix between colors like blue, red, pink, green, any color of your choice, and just try and make sure it aligns with what you're trying to create as a brand. So creating a brand is as important as actually creating the course itself, because creating a brand helps you stand out. All right, so for this, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on customize this template. So let's just right click and open it in a new tab, as I still have some things to show you. So if you scroll a bit more, you can find build a brand in just 5 days. This is someone's example of a course. So now what we're doing with this example is you can use this as a cover art for your course, for your Canva course, as it's actually quite important to have an impressionable cover art, or if it's a video, have an impressionable thumbnail. So like they say, first impression actually matters. So yeah. Now, once you've, let's just go ahead and open up the templates we have on hold. All right, guys. So once the design is opened, what you're going to do with the template is you can simply customize this template to match with the course or the type of course you want to create and send out to your users or students or degree holders. Now, another thing to look out for is consistency across your course. Consistency in the terms of colors, fonts, pictures, images, and bullet points. All of these actually make sure your course stands out from the average course on any of the social platforms you're selling your courses on. Now, another good thing you need to note is make sure your courses are actually downloadable. So, majority of the time, people put their course behind a paywall. You could do that to make sure people actually pay for your course. But one thing you should note is affordability is actually quite important. So make sure your course is actually affordable and usable by your clients. All right, so the next thing we are looking at is recording your videos. So I believe the kind of course you're trying to sell is either a screen recorded course. If that is the case, then make sure you are using professional software like OBS Studios or the native screen recorder that comes with your computer or MacBook, or you could use any screen recorder that has good quality. So from 1080p to 4K is advisable. And now, besides having downloadable content, make sure your content is a PDF, because PDFs are easily downloadable. They're quick. You can download them off the internet just in a snap. All right. All right, guys. So make sure you publish your course on any of the platforms I mentioned, like Etsy or Shopify. You could go ahead and create a Shopify account on Etsy store. As you can see here, I have an Etsy store. These are the products we sell on the Etsy store. All you need to do is just go ahead and add these products. Add products to your stores, like the digital product. I think most digital products are actually sold on Shopify. So go ahead and create a Shopify account using their platform. You can go ahead and create a Shopify account and actually upload your PDFs and slideshows onto the platform. And then from there, you can simply share with your user base or audience. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.